The LG V20 user here, and today I will be showing you guys Microsoft Rewards. So, this is available in the Microsoft Bing app. So if you guys want to earn rewards from Microsoft Bing, this is a good app to check out. So, what you guys do is download Microsoft Bing, click on rewards here. So, y'all guys can earn rewards by entering different things here. So, you guys can see that I have 2,260 points. My streak is 12 days currently, and it will show you guys daily points on the right hand side there. So it'll show you guys the daily sets, which I have already done this for today. So y'all guys get like 3 daily sets today right there. So pretty cool there. So it will be like different things. It'll be like this or that, daily polls and whatnot. And it'll ask you questions about recent news and stuff like that as well sometimes. So yeah. So there's your daily set there, then more activities, y'all some test response, this or that, supersonic quiz, light speed quiz, and other things like that. So if you guys click on one, let's say click on Hot 100 Hits here. Click on that, take you there. So once you guys already done it, when you guys have already done the thing, it will give you guys a check mark. So I've already done my daily sets for the day, so yeah. If you guys want to redeem your points, y'all guys can go down and redeem your points here. If you guys search on Bing, it's like 5 points per search. I think it is 10 points per search on Bing. So pretty cool with that. So if you guys want to click on redeem your points, scroll all the way to the bottom, click on redeem points, and it'll open up your Microsoft rewards thing here. Y'all guys will need a Microsoft account for this to work, obviously. If you guys have a Windows 10 PC and y'all guys have a Microsoft account, it's pretty simple. Y'all guys can also do this on y'all's Windows 10 machine as well. So, y'all guys can see, scroll down here a little bit, say, sort by, so y'all guys got different, things here, like, y'all guys have sweepstakes, so y'all guys can enter in for a chance to win a Samsung Neo QLED 4K Smart TV plus Xbox Series X bundle. They got, Surface Pro 7 plus Surface headphones 2 monthly giveaway there. Select 3, which is a game or whatever. They got different sweepstakes here that you guys can enter in. So, they got Surface Studio 2 bundle there. So these do change all the time. So check back daily for different things. So they got the Surface. So yeah, so keep scrolling down, guys. They got sweepstakes for Xbox One. I said y'all guys could win an Xbox potentially. So that's pretty cool. They have a Microsoft gift card, which y'all guys can enter in to win that. So, and you guys can also donate to different charities as well, which is a good thing. So, y'all guys can donate to the United Nations, Global Giving, Xbox gift card. Y'all guys can get the Xbox gift card. I'm not sure how much this is. I don't know how much this is. It doesn't tell you. You also have Game Pass. You also have Xbox Game Pass as well. So if you guys like to play Xbox and y'all guys want to get Xbox Game Pass, check it out. They got Xbox Game Pass for PC, Microsoft gift cards. They got different things like Microsoft apparel, gifts, and more. So y'all guys can get a Microsoft shirt, Microsoft cup, sunglasses, hats, and stuff like that. Which I think is pretty cool. You know what I'm saying? I think it's pretty cool. You got Skype credit there, you got Skype Unlimited there, you got Microsoft Solitaire Collection Premium Edition gift card. See, some of these offer like in-game purchases or in-app purchases, whatever. And y'all guys have more traders like Teach for America there. To City, y'all guys can donate there. Donate to First. donate to code.org, donate to I guess that's how you say it. So y'all guys can donate to different charities. Donate to World Wildlife Fund, Retail Worldwide, Team Gleason Land, Gamers Outreach, helping others level up. So they have different charities that y'all guys can use your points to donate to different charities. So that's pretty cool. They have Wikipedia there, American Red Cross, Blue Boy Foundation, CDC Foundation. So pretty cool there. Different charities and stuff like that. Gamheads and NAACP. Keep Team Rubicon there. So keep scrolling down. They got Spencer Olympics. They got Boys and Girls Club of America. The Nature Conservancy. I guess that's how you say it. You got Care, Roblox. So that's a game. So they do offer some in-game credits there. You got Dunkin' Donuts right here. You got Taco Bell, Grubhub, which is pretty cool. DoorDash, Uber Eats. So they got different food ordering apps on here. Starbucks, of course. Hulu. What's a $25 gift card for Hulu? Burger King, Domino's, REIE gift card, Sephora, I guess that's how you say it or whatever. It's like some online shop or whatever. You guys also Target, Walmart, NFL shop, and that's pretty much it for there. So they do offer different things there. So they have like different rewards there for like different things. So y'all guys can donate to charities and stuff like that, or y'all guys can use those rewards points towards like a Hulu gift card, and NFL shop, Starbucks, Taco Bell, Uber Eats, Grubhub, DoorDash, stuff like that. So if you guys use any of those things, y'all guys can use your points for that. They also have Xbox Game Pass as well. So if you guys like to play Xbox and y'all guys want Game Pass, check this out. So yeah, it's pretty simple, guys. You basically download the Bing app on your Android or iOS devices, which is for free. You guys must have a Microsoft account for this to work, obviously. So if you guys have a Windows 10 machine, you guys probably have a Microsoft account already. Microsoft Rewards is totally free, guys. It's totally free. Y'all guys can also enter in for sweepstakes and giveaways and stuff like that. So that is pretty cool. So check it out if you guys are interested. It's worth checking out. Y'all guys might find something that you guys like on there. So yeah, you answer some questions here. Pretty simple, and y'all guys get rewards for it, points and stuff like that. So yeah, there you guys get Microsoft Rewards. It's available through the Microsoft Bing app on your phone, tablet, or desktop. So check it out. And so if you guys want to learn more about Microsoft Bing Rewards, links will be down below for that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.